Hi everyone, I'm Spain. I'm presenting you with one of my hobbies, messing with my hair. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Hello Bubble foam color by Mise in collaboration with Blackpink. So here's the shade I got. It's in Ballet Pink and it was 450 pesos from the local Korean mart at my place. So actually I think you can get this online, Shopee, Lazada, Amazon, wherever. So last night I actually shampooed my hair with some purple shampoo just to tone it, because before this it was kind of orangey, brassy brown. You're not actually supposed to use purple shampoo as a toner because there are actual toners out there, and purple shampoo is just for maintenance of faux blonde hair. But anyways, yes, for maintenance of bleached hair, you can get the Blondie Purple Shampoo by Monea. And you can find this online. Again, Shopee, Lazada. Now I'm going to unbox this. So I am going to start with the instructions. And I hope it's not all in Korean. So the box, as you can see, it tells you what you can find in the box. You have your solution 1, solution 2, the pump. We have solution 3, the secret magic oil. And of course we have gloves and a cape so you don't get your hair dye everywhere. Last but not the least, we have a hair pack, which is probably, it's serum, so it's like a hair treatment. So actually, if it's your first time dyeing your hair in general, or just your first time using a new brand you're not familiar with, then it's best if you do a skin patch test. You take a bit of the hair dye and put it behind your ear or on your arm and see if there's any allergic reactions, and that's when you find out if the hair dye is safe for you to use or not. Do the skin patch test. So let me just put on the cape and gloves real quick, but I have to change my shirt. So you're supposed to take these 3 solutions and mix it into this one right here and then put the pump on. So we're gonna mix this, and you're supposed to swirl this instead of shake it like... No. We're gonna swirl this about 20 times. 20. So the instructions say to pump this out onto my palm 3 or 4 times. So let's see. 2, 3, 4. Look at that. It's so bubbly. And it says to start from the roots to your ends. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Oh! Yeah, I don't have much roots that I should work on. So God, I hope this works. Should I put on my bangs right now? I guess I should. And I'm back! So I finished covering my entire head and the color is already changing and I'm really happy. I actually thought this wouldn't cover my entire head because the solution was just this much, and I was like, I doubt it. But actually I think this could fit people with much longer hair than I do, so yeah. So another thing actually about this hair dye is that I was hesitant to buy this because, as you can see, it only showed probably a natural kind of brown, which Asians naturally have. I was like, is this for natural hair or bleached hair? So I was about to not buy this, and then I saw reviews on YouTube that people with brown hair, it didn't really work on them, so I was like, let's try it on bleached hair. And again, as you can see, the magic is happening. So I'm just gonna wait for, how many minutes was that? 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash this. I'm back, and I just washed my hair, I dried it, and put my makeup back on, and as you can see,
what have I got?
Not so pink. It's a bit orangey. Like, I feel like the dye didn't really penetrate my hair. It does here on my bangs, like it's pretty pink here, but when you get here, down to the ends, it doesn't really look so pink. I'm not sure what I did wrong, or if I did something wrong, because I did leave it on more than 30 minutes actually. And I'm sure I reached every strand because I had so much foam. I put like a layer of foam and then like lathered it and then put another layer because there was a lot for me to work with. So I'm kind of sad that it didn't turn out as expected, but I mean, it's still cool. My boyfriend likes it, and I think that's what matters, I guess. Anyways, out of 10, I would probably rate this a 5 or a 6 because, you know, you can see. But if you want to try this, I'd recommend that you have bleached hair, because even having bleached hair, it didn't really stick so well. So I don't know how well it would do with natural hair, like unbleached brunette hair. So it's for you to find out. So thank you for watching this little vlog on these little things I do. Probably the next video is going to be entirely different because I do a lot of different stuff because I get bored easily. So I hope this video helped you out, especially if you're planning to use the Hello Bubble foam color. So try it out for yourself, and thanks! See you!